Hi, this is Terry from Fabric Junction, and today we're working on our Tenlees puzzle, and I'm going to mix it up a little bit. We've already done 5 blocks, so now we're going to do the alternating block, which is kind of the constant block in the quilt, which is a snowball, in which, as you can see, I did get several of my snowballs done so that we can show off the beautiful main fabric that we're using. Now, to do a snowball, we're going to use the stitch and flip method, which is very simple. That way we do not have to cut our main piece into an octagon. Now, there are several different techniques out there. This just happens to be one of them. And what we do is, as you can see, we'll cut our big block, the size of our finished blocks, plus their seam allowance. And then you have a smaller one to go in the corner. Now, if you're going to do snowballs in multiple quilts, different kinds of quilts, because you want to use it as an alternate, kind of a little bit of rule of thumb is the corner pieces are about a third or less or more. It all depends on what you want to do with your block. But if you go half, you end up with a square and a square. But anything to create that beautiful octagon shape. So to continue, we take our smaller square, draw a line diagonally, point to point, set it up at that angle, and then we're going to do a real quick sew on that line. And some of you out there may have machines that have the little lasers on them. Turn your laser on and just follow it. It is small enough to do it that way. Once you have that, you can either hand cut with a scissor, or you can use your rotary. Line up on that seam allowance. I've got my little 1/4 inch line right on that pencil line, and then I can just trim away the extra. And you can tell my blade is probably getting dull. But either way, just go through and there we go. Each one. Oh, there's a little straggler once in a while. There we go. So now, at this stage of the game, it kind of looks like a stop sign. That's our goal. And now we'll flip the corners to fill it in. And that is our snowball block that was used as the alternate block in this quilt. So I hope you like our videos. Go down to the bottom and check the thank you box, or send us a comment. We appreciate comments. Check out the information at the bottom. Chris does a great job of keeping you informed of our patterns, our kits, and anything else that's available. And again, thank you for watching us here at Fabric Junction.